Do you wanna redirect your customer directly to the checkout page without going to the cart page? And also you want to show them here we go or something new message instead of add to cart. When you click on the button, it will redirect you to the checkout page. If you can see, this is the URL. Watch this video because in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do this. The first step, we will add the plugin in our website. You need to click on add new. You just need to search for direct checkout. You will see this plugin here, direct checkout for WooCommerce. In my case, I have activated this plugin. When you activate the plugin, you just need to hover over the WooCommerce. There you will see an option direct checkout. Now there are so many tabs you will see here. We need to configure them one by one. Add to cart alert, no. In my case I have choose no. Add to cart link, no. Add to cart redirect, yes. Add to cart redirect to checkout. Replace cart URL, I have put no URL. You need to click on save changes and then you have to click on archives. Yes, you will see it says replace add to cart text with the yes or no. In my case, I have selected for every product, replace to cart and sample products, because when you click you will see a drop down, so I have selected every product. And the message you want to show, in my case I have put here we go. You need to click on save changes and then you need to click on all products. You will see there is some option you can't edit them because in case you have a pro version of this plugin. Replace add to cart button, yes. You will see for single product code page and in archives you will see in your shop page. You just need to click on save changes and again you need to click on checkout. Here you will see that many option has been hidden. In my case I have some hidden some features, so you can do this. It depends on you that what option you want to hide and what you want to show. Now in this way you can use this plugin. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you very much.